Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our people in YouTube. How you guys doing? Here we are in Bitcoin. And as you could tell, I am 10,600, well, 10,210 pips up. Um, I guess I'm the only dumb fucker that that's selling right now. But let me show a little bit of why I did it. As you could tell, it peaked right here. See, it picked up. Look at that. It's curving. I'm not gonna tell you exactly where I'm showing where I want to go, but let me see. You got my hour, 4, daily, weekly, so we're all uptrend. You see, we're in the uptrend. Okay, so it turned. It turned right here, right where the indicator told me it was gonna do it. Ah, look at that. Oh well, it'll come back up, but let's see. At the end of the day, I don't care how much money I get or gained. It's about executing the pip structure. Okay, I'm not gonna pull out of this deal because I know exactly where it's gonna go. So I'm gonna project it and leave it there. Worst case scenario, I lose a couple bucks. But let's see where it goes. Bye.